Hello and welcome back to our Understanding Mangrove series. I'm Zetty and I'm here today to talk to you about this pine disinfectant product. So this here is part of our EcoMix Super Concentrates range and is accredited to our climate certification. TC1115 pine disinfectant kills smells and malodours, leaving behind a pine atmosphere after use. This product is suitable for use on all water washable surfaces, as well as tables, chairs, touch points and so forth. It is ideal for disinfecting floors in areas such as offices, hospitals, schools, canteens and other facilities. This product here is accredited to the BS EN standard 1276, which means it kills a range of bacteria, including the E. coli and the food poisoning bacteria. It also contains a broad spectrum quaternary biocide within its formulation. To use this product, it can be applied using a mop, cloth and spray, and then wipe clean. There is no need to rinse this product. Now let's see how we dose this product.
To use an EcoMix Super Concentrate, remove the cap carefully in a push and twist motion. Squeeze the container gently to allow the chemical to rise up through the tube and fill the reservoir. Release the bottle and allow the liquid in the chamber to settle. This is now an accurate 10 ml dose of Super Concentrate. To use this in a trigger spray, fill the trigger spray with water first, then add one 10 ml dose of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate. Replace your trigger head securely. Then rotate the bottle twice to ensure that the solution is mixed. To create 5 litres of solution, fill a bucket with 5 litres of water first. Then take your EcoMix and add 2 10 ml doses of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate to the bucket.
Scan the QR code on this product or head to www.clenasupplies.co.uk for more information. There is also access on the website to specification sheets, safety data specifications, bug kill rates and chemical safety assessments where it applies to products. If you have any other questions, please reach out to the team. Thank you.